In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Hostinger using SSH access. We'll walk through each step clearly and methodically so you can follow along easily no matter your level of technical expertise. To begin, let's head over to your Hostinger account where you need to log in. You'll want to have your login details ready as this is your gateway to accessing the vast array of features your hosting plan offers. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage your hosting services efficiently. Next, we'll navigate to the Hosting tab on the menu. This is where you'll manage your websites and hosting accounts. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all your hosting plans. Choose the one you want to use SSH access with by clicking on the Manage button beside it. Now, within the hosting overview, you should see the option for SSH access. It's important to enable it if it's not already turned on. This feature is essential for securely managing your server and files remotely using a command line interface, giving you greater control and flexibility. Now that SSH access is enabled, it's time to gather your SSH credentials, which include your host, username, and password. These credentials are needed for establishing a secure connection. Typically, you'll find them displayed under the SSH access section. Make sure to note them down securely as you'll need them shortly. The next step is to use a terminal or SSH client to connect. If you're on a Mac or Linux, you can simply use the built-in terminal application. For Windows users, you might opt for an SSH client like PuTTY. These tools will allow you to enter commands and manage files directly on your server. When you're ready, open your terminal or SSH client. You'll need to connect using the SSH command. Type in SSH followed by your username and then @ along with your domain name. It should look something like this: SSH username @yourdomain.com. This command starts the process of opening a secure shell connection to your server. After entering the command, you'll be prompted to enter your password. This is the password you previously noted from your SSH credentials. Ensure that you type it correctly, as SSH passwords are sensitive to typos and capitalization. Once entered, press enter. Congratulations, you should now have access to your server. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into Hostinger using SSH. By leveraging SSH, you can manage your website more effectively, edit files, and execute scripts directly on the server. This powerful tool increases efficiency and is a great skill to have for any website owner. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on website hosting and management.